hello and welcome back to Math in Me with me Nikhila Shankar. So today in this video we are going to solve questions from exercise 10.2. So let's start. Okay. So exercise 10.2 question number 1. Write the equation for the x and the y axis. So what is the coordinate in the x axis? The value of x keeps changing but the value of y remains a 0. So what is the answer? Y equals 0 is the equation. This is for x-axis. For y-axis, in the y-axis the y value keeps changing but the x value remains constant. So the equation of the y-axis is x equals 0. Okay, it's pretty simple. Question number 2. Find the equation passing through the point minus 4, 3 and the slope is 1 by 2. So what do we have? We have a point slope form. So what is the equation? Y minus y naught equals m times x minus x naught. You have to remember all this. Okay. So this is your x naught and y naught and this is your m. So what do you have? Y minus y naught equals half times x minus x naught. Minus into minus gives a plus. So you get y minus 3 times 2. I am multiplying this here equals x plus 4. So I have 2y minus 6 equals x plus 4. I am bringing everything to one side. So I have x minus 2y plus 4 plus 6. So I have plus 10 equals 0. So this is my equation. Okay. Question number 3 is very similar to question number 2. So I am directly going to solve question number 4. Find the equation passing through the point 2, 2 root 3 and the angle is 75 degrees. So we have a point and the angle. So with the angle we can find what the slope is. So we are given the point slope form. So let us find what the slope is first. So tan 75 can be written as tan 45 plus 30. So what do you know? Tan of a plus b equals tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Right? So what do you have? Tan 45 plus tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan 45 tan 30. Tan 45 is 1 plus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 times 1 by root 3. Okay. What do I have here? Root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. The denominator root 3 goes off. So I am going to rationalize this. What do I get? Root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 times root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So what do I get? Root 3 times root 3, 3. 1 into 1 is 1 plus root 3 plus root 3 divided by 3 square. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So I have 3 minus 1 which is 2. So I have 3 plus 1 which is 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Taking 2 in common, I have 2 plus root 3. So this is my slope, tan 75, which is my slope. Now I have a point and a slope. So according to the point slope form, y minus y naught equals slope times x minus x naught. So this is y minus 2 root 3 equals, I am going to multiply this, 2x minus 4 plus root 3x minus 2 root 3. Okay. So I am bringing everything to the left hand side. I have 2 plus root 3 into x. So x times 2 plus root 3. But since this comes to the left hand side, it becomes a minus. So minus x 2 plus root 3. What else do I have? I have minus 4 minus 2 root 3. The minus 2 root 3 and the minus 2 root 3 gets cancelled. So I'm going to bring this 4 to the left hand side. I have a y here. So y plus 4 equals 0. I'm going to multiply the entire equation with minus 1. So I have x times 2 plus root 3 minus y minus 4 equals 0. Okay. Question number 5. Intersecting the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin. So if the origin is here, to the left of origin, 3 units now, what does the coordinate be? What will the coordinate be? It will be minus 3, 0. So your point is minus 3, 0. And what else is given? Slope is minus 2. So you know what the point is, you know what the slope is. You can use the point slope form to find the equation. I am not solving this. Find the answer and write it down in the comment section below. Okay. Sixth question is very similar to question number 5. The only change is that it is intersecting at y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin. So what will the point be? It will be 0, 2. And the slope is given, the angle is given. So the angle is 30 degree with the positive direction of the x-axis. So it is tan 30, which is 1 by root 3. So you know what the slope is, you know what the point is. You can use the point slope form. Okay, I'm not solving this. Solve this on your own. I'm going to question number 7. Passing through the points minus 1, 1 and 2, minus 4. So you have 2 points. You need to use the 2-point form. So this is your x1, y1. This is your x2, y2. So what is your 2-point form? It is y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. So this is your 2-point form. So what is your y1? Y minus 1 equals y2 minus y1. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 divided by x2 minus x1. 2 minus of minus 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. X minus x1. So it is plus 1. Okay. So now I am going to multiply this. So it will be 3y minus 3 equals minus 5x minus 5. I am going to bring everything to the left hand side. So I have 5x plus 3y minus 3 plus 5. So I have plus 2 equals 0. Okay. This is the equation. The 8th question is perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units. So this is the normal form. You remember what is the equation? X cos omega plus y sin omega equals p. And what is it given? Omega is 30 degree. The angle made with the positive x-axis is 30 degree. Please be very careful if they have given the angle that is made from the x-axis or if it's from the 90 degree line, from the y-axis. So be very careful when you're reading the question. So if it is from the x-axis, this is 30 degree. If it is from the y-axis, that is 30 degree, then the whole angle is 90 plus 30 degree. So don't miss this, okay? It is very important. Read the question. So this is given. So what is your cos omega? Cos 30. Cos 30 is 1 by 2. Your sin 30 is root 3 by 2. So you have x cos 30, which is x times 1 by 2 plus y times sin 30, which is y root 3 by 2 equals 5. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So I have x plus y root 3 equals 10. So x plus y root 3 minus 10 equals 0 is the equation. Okay.